Hi, today I'm forwarded with me Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. And you'll see here the information about our device battery temperature. In my case, it's 28 degrees. Also, I got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.